Sanibonani bantu abahle, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification button. To my new subscribers, ngiyabonga bakwethu, ngiyabonga bantu abahle. Namhlanje guys bekusuku lami olukhulu, ngizosolukhulu ngoba kade ngangifisa bandluya kwaMayimaye, hayi nje ngithi ngibe icace kade ngangifisa uya kwaMayimaye. Ngingazi ukuthi na khona yini ebinzima ngoba phela ngihlala eJozi, and anyone ohlala eJozi uyazi ukuthi nje kulula kanjani uya kwaMayimaye, and from where I stay or where I live, like it's like 13 minutes drive. So I've always been occupied. So namhlanje bekusuku lami lokuqala nelokugcina inyama lapha ya uMayimaye. So lana ke besisema robothini ke napho guy bayahereza bakwethu bakwashela imoto ngenkani yathanda uthandi. Yeah, so I think we took a road by Ellis Park Stadium. Ellis Park, yes, next to DFC, UJ, Ella, next to Hillbrow, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah.
Kugcwele bo namhlanje. Serious? Hayibo, kade wangizisana nabo mama, ngihlezi la. Ayikho into abayenzayo sengiyasala. Yes. Ababamba inkunzi, akukho inkunzi.
Hayi ke inyama uMayimaye sengiyalibona le gama lakhona ukuthi lisungulwa pha kunyama. So bafikile ke nabasiweta sakhe izandla. One thing I loved about it ukuthi amafaduka khona clean, naye clean guys, angifuna maqambe lamanga nophuthu lakhona lu fresh, and yazi nabantu bayahereza shem, ama hustlers bayadayisa abantu bekumnandi nje.
i-feed yahamba la ko-60,000 views.
Cabang.
But amanye ngangiposta umjikelwa, ngaposta umjikelo omkhulekelwa nabonke labanye abafana. Ayike yadlula 2,000.
I wonder yenziwa yini, honestly.
Okay, we were done for the day. That was my experience in Mai. It was my first and my last time going to Mai. But the company I can just give them 10 out of 10 maguzenyamini and 5 out of 10 when it comes to the environment. Is pity. So yeah, we took a takeaway because inyama besisixakile and beso 3. But nje bekumnandi hayi indaba yokudlala. I wonder kusasa kuzobe kunjani nje kuzobe kunenkosi yamagcukama. Thank you for watching. Bye.